किस तरीके से आपकी प्रिपरेशन थी, क्योंकि आप इतने सालों में कभी प्रिपेयर तो करते नहीं खुद को?
प्रिपरेशन इसका बच्चा इसका मेरे हाथ में दिया संभालने को, मैं संभाला जितना संभाल सकता। Karan's been really great. He's handled it beautifully. बोले कि ये दो बड़े का बाप बनेगा। Agnipath, and I really liked him. He was fantastic. He's a giant of a director. You gotta watch him.
जानना चाहते हैं कि आपने कहीं ये स्क्रिप्ट मिस की थी?
So I don't think so. And Indian cinema is known for these kind of films. दो भाइयों की कहानी, बाप और बेटे की कहानी. So I don't think people miss it because ये कहानियाँ तो आप अगर आप ढूंढने जाएंगे तो आपको हजारों मिलेंगी अंदर हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री.
Akshay is known for doing such action. Was it difficult for you to train yourself for this character? And were you ever skeptical that how you would, match up to Akshay's level?
I think he has done so brilliantly. I'm shocked myself. Yes, because he doesn't have a background of martial art or any kind of thing. But this boy has worked day and night in the gym, learning all the kind of moves, all kind of different kind of arts, whether it's jiu-jitsu or aikido, things which I don't think he even knew about it also. But this boy has done it, and I'm shocked myself that somebody can work so hard also. I thought I was a hard-working person, but here he comes, a man who works more harder than me.
I was very nervous, very upset. I was only, I think, obsessing about the way I look and my technique. I was troubling Karan Malhotra all the time on set. या तो मैं सिर्फ train करता था, या तो खाना खाता था, या सोता था. तो तीन ही चीजें कर रहा था.
Film has a very strong emotional connect. In fact, it's Jacqueline in an avatar that you've not seen before. She and Akshay and Sid and Jackie have these at opposite poles of actually emotion that all come together efficiently. So all four of them actually have done work that they've never done before. And that emotional connect is the soul and the whole of Brothers. More than the action, it's the emotion that overrides it. It's a film that actually deeply connects with a vast audience, I believe.
Has I think made me, it's almost like I feel like I've done like 10 movies, just doing this one movie, because he's taught me so much. He's been very patient, and I've never actually done a role like this before.
तस्वीरें दिखाई मुझे 4 महीने पहले एक 6 फुट 4 इंच का गंजा रेसलर. तो पहले डर गया कि पहले बाल काटने पड़ेंगे, ऐसा कुछ. आई थिंक इज नॉट रिफरिंग टू, पर वो सिर्फ वजन दिखा रहे थे उसका. तो वो भी बहुत कम टाइम था करने के लिए, 4 महीने में, और कुछ नहीं किया. फिर लुक पे काम किया, थैंक्स टू आलिम जिन्होंने की बड़ी दाढ़ी और बस आलिम से डाउट अक्षय सर 10 किलो घटाएंगे तो मैं 10 किलो बढ़ाऊंगा. तो वही कोशिश थी. सर आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे कम करने के लिए, मैं बढ़ाने में लगा.
Karan, that boxing. Clarify one thing, that it's not a boxing ring, it's MMA, mixed martial arts. So the film is not a boxing film per se, it's about mixed martial arts. And the ring that has been constructed is an authentic design for the ring in which mixed martial arts happen world over.
देखिए, आज वेलवेट के कपड़े पहन के आए, इसका मतलब
अरे क्या चले पे नमक छिड़क रहे हो?
तूने ही मेरे को कुछ बोलने पर मजबूर किया. मैं तो खड़ा हुआ था.
मैं तो वही करता हूँ, ये मेरा काम है. ये हमारा मिलाप इतना समय क्यों लगा? क्योंकि इससे बेटर पिक्चर नहीं हो सकती थी for Dharma Productions to kind of liaise with Akshay Kumar with. I think this was a film that Akshay also really wanted to do. We really wanted Akshay. I think he was an indispensable casting, and I think Karan Malhotra will agree that he's had the best experience with Akshay on this film, with all the actors on this stage, I think. And Akshay truly, in a sense, when you see the film, you know that this is Akshay Kumar like never before. And I'm very proud and very honored to have worked with Akshay Kumar on Brothers.
But there's obviously a sequel coming out for Cake, and we're going to miss you in that. And Salman has said that he's kind of, you won't be there. Little too.
I actually was not aware that there was a sequel, but Salman has said it, then obviously yes. And that's fine, because I mean, honestly, like, Kick was the best experience of my life, and I think that he's already done so much for me. Hopefully we'll be able to work in other movies, and if not for Kick 2. Yeah, but I could never, ask for more, because I feel like he's already done so much.